need to solve for x, and in this case I have a radical equation. So my goal in solving this is, first I need to isolate my radical. I need to get that by itself. So in order for me to do this, I'm going to treat that just like I would any other variable. So I'm going to subtract my 1 from both sides, which gives me negative cubed root of 5x plus 4, which equals negative 4. Now this negative is outside of my radical. I need to get rid of that. So there's two things I can do. I can divide by negative 1 to both sides, or I can multiply by negative 1 to both sides. It doesn't matter. I prefer to multiply through both sides by negative 1. Then I don't have to deal with a fraction. So a negative times a negative gives me a positive. So that gives me the cubed root of 5x plus 4 equals 4. Okay, that was easy. But what am I going to do here? I have the cubed root of 5x plus 4. This is one number. I have no idea what that is. So I'm going to rewrite this radical expression as a rational exponent. So that's same as 5x plus 4 to the 1/3 power, which equals 4. Now I haven't done any math. This expression right here, cubed root of 5x plus 4, is like, I want to write my word cat like this. And writing my expression so it's a rational exponent would be the same as me writing cat like this. It's a different way of just saying the same thing. So I haven't done any math, I just made it look a little different. Still saying the same thing. But with the rational exponent, it's easier for me to turn my exponent into a 1. So I'm thinking, what is 1/3 times what is going to give me a 1? Well, 1/3 times 3, or 3 over 1, is going to give me a 1. Which means I need to multiply my exponent of 1/3 times 3. What I do to one side of my equation, just as always, I have to make sure I do to the other side of my equation. So 1/3 times 3, that becomes 1. So that gets rid of that radical. So that just leaves me with 5x plus 4. And 4 cubed, 4 times 4 times 4, is 64. So now I just have a regular linear algebra 1 easy sailing type of problem. So I subtract 4 from both sides. So that gives me 5x is equal to 60. I divide both sides by 5. So I get x is equal to 12. So before I go on my merry way, I need to check to make sure that this is in fact a solution. This isn't the same sort of check you did in elementary school where you had to go back and make sure you did it correctly. This is a type of check to make sure that this is in fact a solution. So I have to go back to my original problem, which was negative cubed root of 5x, but in this case we're going to put in 12 instead of x, plus 4 plus 1 equals negative 3. I have to keep everything on the left to the left and everything to the right on the right. I cannot cross that line. So I'm just going to use regular PEMDAS. 5 times 12 is 60. That's the cubed root of 64. The cubed root of 64 is 4. And I can quickly see that negative 3 equals negative 3. So this is in fact a solution.